Hi, P.
I missed you.
I know.
That's it? I know?
No. I missed you too.
Nuse uri bumpobere cyangwa nze nkwiterurire?
No. Of course I'll hug you. P.
No. Let me go first.
No, they can bands. Okay. Bands are not yours.
You're not happy for me, are you?
No, I am happy to see you. No kumeze neza gutyo. I hope they gave you the help that you needed. Right?
Baramfashije cyane. Mbona no kugira ngo ngushimire. Yataza ko wowe ntabwo nari kwameze gutya. Ndashimira n'Imana ko yarakuzanye mu buzima bwanjye. Njye nibaza iyo uza kuba udahari ukuntu nari kuba ameze. Warakoze cyane kuba warambwiye njye muri Rehab Maya. Munanjye nkameze nk'umuntu nk'abandi. Ntabaswe n'ibiyobyabwenge. Amezi 6 maze hariya bamfasha cyatumye mbona ko nagiye ku muntu w'umugabo kandi ndaje mbikwereke.
P, I have...
Hey, I know. You don't have to say it.
P. P.
I said I know it. You finally found what you wanted. You're in a good relationship now. Nagari nkanjye.
P, don't say it like that. Because that's not true.
I know that you're finally happy. I also know that I wasn't good enough for you. I know it wasn't you. It was me.
P, wifuka gutyo.
Hey, I'm not angry. I'm not angry at you or anyone. I'm just happy for you, you know.
You are?
Yeah, I am. I'm really happy for you. Gusa umenye ko wishe isezerano. Yuko wansezeranyije ko ngomba kujya muri rehab ukanegereza mpaka mvuyeyo. Ako, as long as you're happy, that's what matters, right? Are you happy?
Yeah, I am. I'm happy.
Okay. Tukeka unono nagenda.
Hano buri bumbaze se ubu turi kumwe ngubu.
I gotta go.
Basi ufite aho kuba.
I figured it out.
Ngafite ahantu ari bubi. You know I do love you, right? I love you so very much. You gotta believe it. And I swear to my mom, I'll never leave you. You have to be my husband. Uri kubyumva neza?
Ndi kubyumva, babe. Now you have to be my wife.
Yeah. I'll be your wife.